Hello everyone, my name is Gavin, and this will be a video on how to get a list of all the controllers that are connected to your object. And I'm just going to get started. So let's go from defaults to game logic, Blender render, Blender game. Add one always sensor, and add several other types of controllers like this. And connect them all to your always sensor like this. With the last one being the Python controller. And do templates Python and then game logic simple. Drag this out right here and delete the portion I've highlighted, and hit Control and scroll up on your mouse to make your text larger. And what we're going to do is do prints own.controllers. Own.controllers like that, and add that game logic simple right here. Next, what you're going to do is open up your console by doing window and then toggle system console. And you can see if I hit P, it's going to print all the names of the controllers connected to our objects. Alright guys, I hope you found this useful.